You want to calculate TCS correctly, but still you get confused, and still there is so many confusion on taxable value or total invoice value on which amount you have to collect TCS. Don't worry, I am here, I will tell you. So if you want to calculate TCS on sales correctly, so let's suppose your total taxable amount is 1 lakh, and if you apply 18% on 1 lakh, so it would be 18,000. Total sales amount it's 1 lakh 18,000. So you have to calculate, you have to collect TCS on your total sale invoice. You have to deduct, you have to collect TCS at the rate of 2% on your total sale invoice, which is 1 lakh 18,000. So 2% TCS will be collected at the rate of on the total sale amount 1 lakh 18,000. I hope you will get it. So let me tell you something about TCS. So TCS on sale has been removed from 1st April 2025 in budget 2025 in Feb month, and announced by the Finance Minister Srimati Nirmala Sitharaman ji. So I hope you will understand how to collect, how to calculate TCS on sale. TCS on sale uh, has been collected on the total sale invoice at the rate of whatever TCS rate is there. Thank you for watching. Keep watching.